The clamping device is an optional accessory that can make hooping non-traditional items very easy. Call your sales representative for pricing and information on additional attachments. To attach the clamp, first make sure the machine is turned off and that the pantograph is moved flush to the left. Slide the clamping device onto the machine toward the holes on the pantograph that match the clamping device. Use your 4mm Allen wrench to tighten up the Allen screws on both sides of the clamp. Remember to push the clamp forward to ensure that it is level against the pantograph. After the clamp is secured, grab the pantograph and pull it towards you so that you can hoop your item. Flip open the hoop and slide your item in so that the area you want to embroider is in the sewable area. Depending on the item, you may or may not want to use double-sided sticky backing. After you have your item secured in the clamp, slowly move the pantograph back into sewing position, center the design, and sew.